Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, it's Gabe doing another wonderful video today. I am actually going to do a quick review and also a quick demonstration on installation on a water heater that I just purchased. This is just your regular typical 40-gallon electric water heater. Here she is. Electric 40 gallons of 4,500 watt heating element, which is pretty basic. It's got a 6-year limited warranty for tank and parts, 1 year full in-home labor warranty. Additional features: looks like factory installed protective water connections. The dielectric nipples help resist corrosion, temperature and pressure relief valve included. So that's just a quick guide on what I want to do. My normal water heater right now is inside the house. I'm actually planning to put it out here. This is kind of like my den slash kind of still in works process, but I'm actually planning on putting it right here in this specific section. So yeah, so let's see what we got here. So that. That out of the way. Liv, can you turn on the light out here for me? So let me prop you guys up right here. Hope you guys can see everything. Give me just a second. Alright, so we got some light here. So I got one side of the box going. Let's go ahead and get the other one. So I'm just making a quick cut out here so I can just slide it right out. Be careful with a knife, don't cut yourself. Would not be good. Take that bag off. Let's close this night off. Okay, so here she is. So this is a rheem Performance, 40 gallons. Here we go. Do not return this water heater to place of purchase. So just your standard up and lower. Got your drain down there. Kind of looks cockeyed if you ask me. Yeah, something to look into. Let's see if I can just hopefully. I think that should be okay. Jeez. Maybe it's pitched for a reason. There she is. So this is going to require a 30 amp double pulse breaker, and I did pick up a 10-2 indoor wire there to run from the breaker box to that. So this is part 1 of the video. I'm making a part 2 on a quick demonstration of installation. I am not a certified electrician, so by all means, electricity is very dangerous. If you're not comfortable doing a project like this, don't do it. Call your local electrical place, or even Home Depot, Lowe's. A lot of places do offer same-day installation, and it's a couple $100 more, but I've done a couple of these before, so I'm pretty good. But if, like I said, if you don't feel safe, don't mess around. Electricity is very dangerous. It will kill you. No joke. I've been electrocuted a couple times, and believe me, one time was near death. So stay tuned to part 2 of this video. Thanks for watching.